Good evening guys, this is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to get grid ceilings in the DIALux Evo. This was the question asked by my friend and a student, and I felt the need of making a short tutorial on the same. Grid ceiling is your 60 by 60 panel ceiling, or you even have this version which is 120 into 60 panel ceiling. Okay, no matter if you need 60 by 60 or 120 into 60 panel ceiling, this step which we are going to discuss you can apply for any kind of grid ceilings. Go to your DIALux, select ceiling, insert ceiling into the room, give the ceiling height, that is this distance from the shelf floor. Let me give the height to be 3 meters, enter. This is my ceiling height. Done. Now go to material, select material catalog, indoor, ceilings, and you can see ceiling panel here. Double click to apply. You can see the active material, it is ceiling panels. Now just apply the material. That's it. Your 60 by 60 panel ceiling is ready. Suppose if you need 120 into 60 panel ceiling, select the texture, scroll down, so you can see the width here 0.6 and height is 0.6. So it is 60-60 grid ceiling texture, height and width. If you need 120, you need to change the dimension here to 1.2, enter. Now you see you got that 120 into 60 grid ceiling. Control Z. Let's focus now on 60 by 60 itself. Once you're done, if you have AutoCAD, it will be easy for you to position your panel lights as per the AutoCAD hatches. Suppose if you don't have the AutoCAD, you can go to reference line, draw reference kit, select the first point, second point and stretch. Make sure you're starting the grid lines from the starting point of the wall. Then here line distance X, give it 0.6 because your ceiling is grid ceiling of 60 by 60, right? So we are going to give length and width to be 60 by 60 itself. Select your panel light. You can do the automatic arrangement or you can place the luminous as per your design. Okay, then adjust it as per the grids. You can use this reference guides which are in red and green dotted lines and move it. Here how I'm positioning is I'm leaving 2 panels and then at the third panel I'm positioning my light. Make sure you're positioning your light exactly in between the grid lines which resemble your panels. Now it is properly placed. All your panel lights are properly placed within the guidelines. The panel light IS files you can get directly from the website of the manufacturer you are using. Now check the 3D. See, your panel lights are properly positioned within this grid. Suppose in case if your texture is bit off center and if it is not properly aligned, simple step what you can do is adjust the view in a way that your ceiling is visible. Okay, something like this. Select the texture. When you select the texture, you can see this move tool with the guidelines. Okay, just grab that move tool and get it on the panel light and position it properly. Okay, this you can do only in case if your grid ceiling texture and panel light are not properly aligned. Only then you can do this. If it is already aligned, you no need to repeat this step. Then to switch off your guidelines, you can go to the display options. Here is the tool for show reference line. If you click again, the reference lines will be hidden. This is how you get the grid ceiling in the DIALux Evo. I hope the steps were simple and clear. Now let's run the calculations and do one render. Calculation is completed and you can see the ceiling is looking like a perfect grid ceiling. You can set the view and start ray tracing. Render is completed and you can see the ceiling, perfect, proper texture and proper panels aligned within the ceiling texture. So this is how you can easily make your panel ceiling in the DIALux Evo. There's no requirement of making this panel ceiling with the help of cubes or extrusion volumes because it will only increase the file size. So the simple step is get the texture of the panel ceilings which is already available in the DIALux and increase and adjust the scale if required. And then the ceiling is ready. So this is it guys in this video. If you like this video, please do hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to explore more in DIALux with me. Thank you.